What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, this something a little different. I did do a summary of the 2019, everything I bought in 2019. I'm gonna start doing monthly videos of what I copped. So kind of like a cliff notes of the best deals of the month, pretty much. I guess in my size. Yeah, I wasn't able to do one for January, so I'll just cover January and February. This video might be a little bit longer than most others, but on a monthly basis, I'm gonna hit you guys up with this, so you guys can kind of get a feel of what type of deals that I'm getting. I'm gonna start off with the sneakers that I did purchase for other people, such as my family members and friends and that type of stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna start off with one of the most recent pair of sneakers that I did buy. This is a Jordan 33. So obviously the red colorway. I did buy this for my little guy. This is a size 6 youth. Got these for $52. I think these go for like $140 or something normally, but yeah, $52. Obviously this isn't the newest silhouette, so yeah, there's plenty of deals to be found in these. He wanted these just because he didn't like to tie his shoelaces, so that's why I picked these up. On the same day, I actually did buy these as well. Zoom Freak ones. Bought the Zoom Freak ones. I bought this pretty much for a nephew of ours. But yeah, hella clean. These, this is the All Bros 2 colorway. This pretty much goes for $120. I don't think I've seen this one on sale ever. I picked these up for $60 plus 20% off. Ended up paying $48 plus tax. Hell of a steal, you guys. Hell of a steal. I'm gonna give these to him. I think tomorrow. Sunday. I did buy 2 additional pair of sneakers. I actually delivered those to my pops already. I did find a size 10 Pegasus Turbo. Ended up getting them for $48. 48 bucks. Bam! That's crazy. 48 bucks. Those, I think they originally came out for $180. They're on sale on some websites for like, what, $130? $120, $130, depending on the colorway and stuff, but I ended up getting it for 48 bucks. That was a hell of a steal. I also did buy him some of these. This is actually my pair, but I did buy him the exact same ones. The Jordan Hydro 6s. These aren't the dopest Hydros. I have like 5 or 6, I think. Yeah, these aren't the dopest ones, but these are one of the most comfortable, actually. Not the cushioning, but it does have arch support. I've said that a few times. It does have arch support, so those of you with flat feet, perfect. I actually found him for $20, and then I ended up finding him for $13, I think, during another visit to another outlet. So I ended up taking back the $20 ones, and I ended up keeping the, what, $12 or $13 ones? But yeah, you can see right here. All right, and the last pair that I bought for somebody else, pretty much is a resale. It's a sneaker that I'm gonna be reselling. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I've put these up yet, now that I think about it. But I'm definitely gonna have to put them on GOAT tonight, now that I'm talking to you guys. But yeah, I bought an SB Dunk Low, you guys. An SB Dunk Low. Those of you guys that know the Dunks, man, these, you never find these at the outlets. You just don't. And the last, what, year and a half that I've been going to the outlet on a weekly basis almost, I think these are the only second pair that I found. But yeah, these normally retail for $100. These resell for $150, $160, $170. I bought these bad boys for $39.99. $39.99, you guys. And this was also purchased at the clearance center. Got these for $39.99. Also got another 20% off. Paid $32. $32 off of these. I should be able to sell these for $120 minimum. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. All right, let's move on to my purchases, you guys. Let's move on to my purchases. First sneaker that I bought this year, January 3rd. This is within a month of these coming out, because I think these came out early December. Jordan 4 Winterized. Jordan 4 Winterized. Cop these at the outlets. Full box, everything. I happened to be at the Torrance outlet. They asked me what I was looking for. I was like, hey man, what kind of retros you got? Brought these out. Full box, everything. Oh shoot, my bad. Full box, everything. Got them for 20% off. Bam, within a month of them coming out. They're on sale now, but I was able to secure my pair just in case. Just in case they didn't go on sale, just in case they sold out. Secured my pair, got them for 160 bucks. I actually used an MVP pass, that's why it looks a little bit cheaper. Next sneaker that I did purchase, I think these are the only shoes that I've paid for retail for this year. I have found a few of these on discount. Yeah, I actually ended up copying one for my brother-in-law too, because he bought the wrong size. But yeah, the PG4 Gatorades, the most comfortable basketball sneaker ever. It is what it is. I don't know how they are for hooping, but for casual, man, got the best cushioning out of any basketball sneaker I've ever worn. Let's move on. We're still in January, guys. I caught these. I'm not the hugest fan of these, but my boy, these were my boy's first pair of Jordans that he got, and someone bought it for him as a Christmas present, so I had to get the same one so we can wear the same ones. And I did ask you guys, some of you guys gave me the great advice saying that I had to get them, and you guys were absolutely right, so I do thank you guys for the advice. The Jordan, the Legacy 312 lows is the bread colorway. They're pretty comfortable. The leather's money, you guys. You know, obviously not the most hype pair of shoes. They did retail for $130. I did cop them for $159. Bam, not bad. We're still in January. I believe this was what, the 24th. Ended up finding these. Yeah, these were a hell of a surprise. I didn't even know what the hell they were when I first got them. The Nike ID Pendletons, you guys. These are just fire. These are my favorite Air Force Ones. I've never seen any Air Force Ones that are like this. Hella sick. These went for what, $130?
Whoever bought them, or whoever ordered them.
I think when you get the Nike IDs or Nike by Use from the website, I think they actually cost like $160 or something. The Nike outlet that I went to, I got these at East LA. They ended up throwing these out for regular Air Force retail, which is $130. Then I ended up getting 20% off of that. So I ended up paying $104. $104. These normally cost $160. Hell of a deal. One of my favorites. Haven't worn them yet. I don't know why the hell I haven't worn them. Probably because I haven't done the review for this, and also I haven't given you guys my summary. So yeah, I wanted to make it clean for you guys. So, the same day, I ended up copping the Black Hats. Oh, everybody was surprised as hell that I was able to find these at the outlets. A few of you guys also found this as well, and I actually went on Thursday night, dropped this video Friday morning before the outlets open, and there were a couple of you guys that were able to pick these up at the East LA outlet with me, so that was pretty dope. That was the first time I've ever done that. I'm gonna try to do that type of stuff more often. But yeah, ended up getting these. These were out for what, a week? And I was able to get these for $152. Black Hats are hella dope. Got the review. Bam. Hell of a deal. We're still in January. I actually got these, I think this was the same day as the Black Hats. I actually found these at the clearance center. And yeah, these were hella hard to find. But yeah, now they're hella hard to find. AD NXT FFs. These do have the lacing system that are in the Jordan 33s. It does have the fast fit right here. So you pull on this, and then you pull, there's a little eject button, and you pull that to loosen the cables. These are some super high strength cables and whatnot. But yeah, got these bad boys for $80. $80. They were $100, and I'm getting 20% off that day. Copped them for $80. You can't find these for under $200. So yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out. I was gonna keep these, but the only issue is. Oh wait, you know what? I don't know. I'm gonna have to review these a little bit better. I believe these do have the it's actually a midsole cushioning. So the cushioning inside is like that thick, and it's actually all React. And I have to put insoles in my shoes, so I'm gonna have to see if these fit. If they don't, yeah, I'll throw them on GOAT. We'll see what happens. But yeah, $80, you guys. $80 at the clearance center. All right, we are in February. This was February 1st, I believe. Yeah, I ended up copping these are the Air Max 98 Inside Out. Hella clean, hella dope. I'm a huge fan of these. I love the Air Max 98s, 97, 95. Who doesn't like those, man? Everybody loves those. But yeah, I copped these for 60 bucks. 60 bucks. I think they had them for, which is hilarious because they're still going for 105 or something. Like I've seen them multiple times at the Nike outlet out in Citadel. At the Citadel, this is where I purchased them, and I've seen them on the clearance section and stuff for like 105. I don't know what happened. They had these for 75 plus 20% off. I don't know if it was an error that in my favor or whatnot, but I don't know. But it ended up costing me $59.99. That was hella dope. All right, February, I had to slow down because January I bought so many pair of sneakers. I had to slow down. I had to put it a little bit to a halt. I found some Pegasus 35s. This was at the Nike outlet Citadel. And yeah, the Pegasus 35s. These are pretty much, I don't know what colorway they are, but I just say, hey, they're the 49er colorway because I see gold and red. And I wear gold, red, and black because I wear Niners stuff. I have Niner hat and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm not, Pegasus are cool, but I'm not like a diehard fan. But I found these for $45, 45 bucks, and they were 20% off. So they ended up costing, oh wait, maybe they were 30% off. They were 30% off that day. I ended up getting these for $32, under 32 bucks. Like I just had to get them, so I just copped them. They're size 11. I usually wear 10.5. These are a little tight, so they actually fit. We're good. All right, so I think this is my last pair of sneakers, you guys. Last pair of sneakers that I bought in February and January. You guys all know these, the black Ferrari 14s, you guys. I haven't, I guess I'll do a review of these. I haven't done too many reviews on many of these shoes. I like these at 200. Shit, I would not have bought these for 200, but I think I had paid what, $112? $112, man. I just had to get them. Had to get them, you guys. I don't know. Let me know if that was worth it or not. But 112 bucks, had to get them. All right, so that was my January and February. I'm gonna be honest. I didn't even include the clothing that I bought. I bought a couple pair of sweats, couple pair of shorts. I didn't even include all that because I already thought this video was getting kind of long. I think I went over what 14 pair of sneakers that I bought. That was my January and February. So yeah, it gets kind of crazy when you go to the outlets as often as I do. It's like a double-edged sword because I get all the deals, but I ended up spending more money. But dude, the deals are crazy. Deals are crazy, guys. So thank you so much for watching. You guys know why you guys watch this channel. The deals are just crazy at the outlets. I'm going to continue to throw those outlet videos out there because that's what you guys all enjoy. And I enjoy going out there, checking and see what deals I can find as well. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys go ahead, smash that like button for your boy. And yeah, if you're new, make sure you guys press that subscribe button. Make sure you guys click that notification bell as well. The next video that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what you guys are finding. What everybody else is finding out there. I've been asking you guys to send me pictures and information about stuff that you guys cop to the outlets. So continue doing so. Make sure you guys keep messaging me on Instagram. You can either send me a direct message or tag me. And yeah, let me know what you guys are finding so you guys could be part of the next month's video. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace. Hey, that was a long video, man. Long video.